Algorand costs certainly equivalent to $0.1846 a coin, which really is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.1828-0.1851, or so they sort of thought. The earlier day close, 0.1838 in a significant way. The change most certainly was plus 0.0008, plus 0.44% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate, USD to Algo, or so they generally thought. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.18, essentially greatest 0.19, truly least 0.17 in an especially enormous way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.18, most extreme 0.19, exceptionally least 0.17, or so they really thought. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.17, genuinely most extreme 0.18, really least 0.16 in an essentially large way. Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.17, really most extreme 0.18, sort of least 0.16 in every practical sense, huge way. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, essentially least 0.16 in an exceptionally huge way. And multi-week Algorand gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, genuinely least 0.16. Especially further appearance how the change in every way that really matters was plus 0.0008, plus 0.44%, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.17, kind of greatest 0.18, least 0.16, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.17, essentially most extreme 0.18, especially least 0.16, or so they really thought. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.16, most extreme 0.17, exceptionally least 0.15 in an exceptionally enormous way. Algorand estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $0.14, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13, which generally is very critical. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.14, sort of most extreme 0.15, beautiful least 0.13 in an unpretentious way. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.13, sort of most extreme 0.14, all things considered, least 0.12. So Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, really least 0.16 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.13, fundamentally greatest 0.14, least 0.12, which is very critical. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.13, most extreme 0.14, especially least 0.12, showing how Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.17, genuinely greatest 0.18, exceptionally least 0.16, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.13, beautiful most extreme 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12 in a very significant way. In 3 weeks Algorand estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, essentially least 0.12, showing how Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.13, essentially greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, least 0.12. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.13, especially most extreme 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12, or so they certainly thought. Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13, genuinely most extreme 0.14, really least 0.12 in a by and large significant manner. In about a month, Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.13, really greatest 0.14, in every practical sense, least 0.12, or so they sort of thought. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.13, most extreme 0.14, truly least 0.12 amazingly. USD to ALGO swapping scale all things considered, equivalent to 5.4171 coins per $1 in a really significant manner. Today, S reach 5.4025-5.4705 in every practical sense, huge way. The past day, S nearby 5.4407, which really is very huge. Change for now 0.0236, 0.43% in a sort of significant way. USD to ALGO cost cage in the not-so-distant future in month, showing that Algorand value expectation for in the not-so-distant future in month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Algorand figure on Monday, May 1, cost 5.556 coins, kind of greatest 5.882, beautiful least 5.263, which especially is very huge. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 5.556 coins, genuinely most extreme 5.882, kind of least 5.263, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 5.882 coins, truly most extreme 6.250, certainly least 5.556. Further appearance how Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.16, lovely greatest 0.17, genuinely least 0.15 in an unpretentious way. USD to ALGO forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 5.882 coins, most extreme 6.250, sort of least 5.556, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 5.882 coins, kind of most extreme 6.250, exceptionally least 5.556, showing how Algorand figure on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.13, lovely greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, showing how Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.17, genuinely most extreme 0.18, beautiful least 0.16 in a really significant way. In multi-week USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 5.882 coins, sort of most extreme 6.250, exceptionally least 5.556, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 5.882 coins, most certainly greatest 6.250, lovely least 5.556, showing how Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.17, extremely most extreme 0.18, essentially least 0.16, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to ALGO forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 5.882 coins, exceptionally most extreme 6.250, especially least 5.556. So Algorand value sort of equivalent to $0.1846 a coin, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 6.250 coins, certainly greatest 6.667, beautiful least 5.882, truly